My Lord, from the impugned order of reversion from DYSP to Police Inspector, Your Lordships, the notices have been issued by the special section of Home Department on 8/3/2021 to the petitioner.
What is the date of his explanation?
His explanation, Your Lordships, is 12/3/2021.
12/3/2021.
Your Lordships.
What is the stand taken by him?
ये है
Where is that copy? 12/3/2021. Show it to him.
इसकी कॉपी है 12/3/21 की, उसके जवाब का। नहीं, वो जवाब, ये तो अभी का जवाब है।
Mr. State Counsel,
My Lord.
scope of contempt is very limited.
My Lord.
Don't examine on merits.
No, I'm not examining on merit.
Please implement the order subject to outcome of LPA, and also see the criminal case is pending since 11/7/2006. Charge sheet was filed on 11/7/2006. The promotion is 2013. There is a Supreme Court decision. If the belated settlement of any criminal proceedings or departmental proceedings, in that event ad hoc promotion is required to be granted. Supreme Court decision is there. You please go through that also and pass a speaking order after giving one more opportunity. Nothing will happen. You are not going to lose your prestige.
Since Your Lordship's charges were framed as back as in 2000, charges in the criminal case was framed as back as in 2015.
2015.
My Lord.
Just now you said 11/7/2006.
No, just this charge sheet.
Then what?
Charges were framed by the court for.
No, in criminal case charge sheet only.
No, thereafter Your Lordship's police paper was given to him. He received the police paper in 2011.
2011. Sir, what is the date of filing charge sheet in the criminal case?
11/7/2006.
That is the hurdle for him promotion. Have you seen the sealed cover procedure guidelines or rules or circular of the state, where there is a clause in terms of Union of India versus Janaki Raman, Supreme Court decision is there. In terms of that, how sealed cover is required to be applied. For that, a guideline has been issued. In the guideline, it is one of the condition is that the officer or employee must not facing criminal proceedings like a framing of a charge in the charge sheet, in the departmental inquiry framing of a charges. If the charge memo is issued, you have to apply sealed cover.
Yes.
Now that is the correct. Now you can apply sealed cover, but in the present case, due to delay from 11/7/2006 to 2013, Supreme Court judgment is in favor of the petitioner, because if there is a belated settlement of criminal proceedings or departmental inquiry, in that event ad hoc promotion is required to be granted.
But there was some condition.
Being a model employer, you should apply all these things. Straight away you can't jump to the conclusion.
Since Your Lordships,
you don't know which is the sealed cover procedure.
No, my lord. No, my lord. He did not opt the sealed cover procedure.
You are not asking me. See, you are not listening to me. I am asking
you. I am listening. I was listening. My lord.
Decision. Which is that?
My lord,
State of Punjab, something is there.
My lord, during pendency of either departmental proceeding or the criminal proceeding, my lord, the state employer, my lord.
All right, sir. I am asking you a simple question.
Ji.
Are you aware of the Supreme Court decision?
Yes.
Where is that judgment? Why you are not brought?
Because
it is called Chaman Lal Goyal versus State of Punjab.
My lords, one big time may be granted, my lords. I will bring everything.
So we have to adjourn. What is this?
My lords, today, my lords,
you find out Chaman Lal Goyal versus State of Punjab. If there is a delay in filing charge sheet or charge memo, in that event, employee is entitled to promotion.
Even, my lords, in this case, my lords, departmental proceeding was initiated at the very earlier stage, my lords, in which petitioner was exonerated, my lords.
All right, we are not going on merits.
That's why, my lords, I will
yes,
not.
Sir. You implement, sir. Before 1 week.
My lord, just 1 week, my lord, opportunity may be given.
No, sufficient opportunity is given now.
Lord, it has come.
That is the reason DGP has been asked to appear.
Well, it's true, my lord. I can see that. But we are trying our level best to get the matter heard.
Go to his office and see that order is passed. with a rider subject to outcome of LPA. What is wrong in it? Are you going, are the heaven will come down?
My lords, our LPA will get affected.
Milord,
No, why can't you, sir, you pass an order subject to outcome of LPA. If LPA, in the LPA, if the if you have an interim order, well and good. If it is not there, this will be in operation.
even Milords, with regard to the promotion, Milord, from the DSP to Inspector, Milords, still Milords awaiting, Milords, the government
It
did
is
not take
DY
any step,
It is
Milords.
not DYSP to inspector, inspector to DYSP.
With respect to Milords reversal, Milords, as per the Milords, the order,
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. DGP.
Yes.
What is your good name?
still no.
I am Sanjeev Kumar Singhal, sir.
Huh?
I am Sanjeev Kumar Singhal.
Please go to your office by evening, 6 o'clock. You have to pass an order. Ad hoc promotion subject to outcome of LPA. Otherwise, next week I am going to frame charges against you.
Sir, if you allow me to say only one thing, sir. Whatever sir has said, there is no dispute on any of the things. But the government order, which has been referred to in earlier court's judgment, para 5, sir, there are...
Scope of contempt is limited. Only to comply the order. That's all.
We tried to implement...
Sir,
the
you
order
can raise these issues before the LPA bench.
because these conditions are such that in the...
Sir, are you going to implement or not?
My lords, the order says only to consider.
All right, you pass an order.
We have already passed. We have already passed.
Already
Detail already
passed.
passed.
Ad hoc basis. Where is the show cause notice issued to the petitioner? Where is the show cause notice?
No, Milords. No so cause need to issued,
Where is
Milords.
the show cause notice? Therefore, non-compliance, I am going to frame charges against the DGP.
Milords, actually, this order, Milord, deliberate attempt, Milords.
Contempt is between the court and the
Sorry,
accused.
sorry, Milords.
You are going to implement today, or shall we frame the charges?
Ad hoc promotion. Upon consideration of the record, your lordships, and the opinion from the Vigilance Investigation Bureau and the Special Branch, the DG board sat on 12th of August 2022 and has rejected the grant and has rejected the claim for the ad hoc promotion.
Have you issued a notice to the petitioner or not? For the third time, I am asking you. Comply the order by 6 o'clock, otherwise the charges will be framed.
My lords, may I submit one small thing? My lords, under the, as I have understood...
Sir, what is the prestige you have?
No, it is not...
Why can't you implement ad hoc?
No, it's not a question of...
That is the reason this court is giving an option.
problem is something else. It is not the question of prestige at all.
Then why don't you implement for a few days,
My lords,
depending upon LPA decision?
my lords, I have passed an order to pass...
It is not, whatever you have passed order, it is not in terms of the order.
No, my lords, just one small thing, lords, that your lordships has directed that you consider his case in terms of paragraph 5 of the government resolution. Now, my lords, now by considering paragraph 5 of the government resolution, my lords, the conditions which has been prescribed therein...
Mr.
does
Counsel,
not-
I will read. Before taking such a decision or pass such order, fresh notices shall be given to the petitioner in respect of aforesaid issue. Where is the notice?
No, my lords, just a moment. My lords, there are two aspects of the matter. Perhaps, my lords...
Have you issued a notice or not? Simple question.
My lords,
Show me the copy of the notice.
It has not been issued, but just...
If it is not issued, then a scope of contempt is, I am going to...
Allow me to place it as well as he says. My lords, your lordships have considered two things. One, his reversion. Now, my lords, there your lordships have set it aside on the ground that notices were not given because it was necessary under 311 also, where it says that if you are giving, if you are reverting a person, he must be given a notice. Therefore, your lordships has set aside on that. And in that context, your lordships have referred the matter